Power used to arrive with warnings. Troops, missiles, speeches. Then one night rewrote the rules. A single military helicopter crossed Venezuelan airspace. Low, fast, silent. It wasn't supposed to survive. But above it, something appeared. A nuclear-capable bomber, not attacking, not threatening, just existing. And that was enough. Radars detected it. Command rooms froze. Because some aircraft don't need to fire to end every option. No air defenses moved. No jets launched, not because they couldn't, because they wouldn't. The helicopter reached the sea. A warship waited. The door closed. And before the world reacted, it was finished. No war, no explosions, no second chance, just control for minutes with consequences that will last for years. This is how power works now.